Hello, Sneh family and the others. We are anxious parent. We were an anxious parent, but now no longer any anxious or any frustrated or any worried parent because of the Sneh. Now, this journey was a very new journey. He's Yogesh, my husband. I am Chani. We are from Africa. I got my third baby delivered in India, but because of many conditions, my baby had to go through so many things. Now, in all that, the end story that her brain got affected, which was really a new and rare thing we could know because my other two kids are completely normal. And my other two kids have actually achieved the milestones way earlier than their times. So for me to compare their timeline with my third baby timeline was very different and frustrating. So when I went after delivery, after everything, I went back to Africa. We didn't know what to expect. We only could hear that she's premature, she will be late, it's okay, baby is small, it's okay. But something like my mother instinct, I could not stop myself. So we traveled down to Delhi as our native place. We went there. In MRI, we came to know that her journey is not like others. She is a different baby. She is a special needs baby. In that, she needed therapy. Now, we were very clueless where to go, whom to consult. I had left my kids with my extended family. They were a big support to me. All I know in this time that family support is very important and the right direction is very important. So when we came to Delhi, we came to know that my baby is even having seizures. Her MRI was not right. Her journey is actually more complicated than I even thought of. We came back to Uganda, we thought we will get a physiotherapy. We tried to look out because it was difficult for us to move back to India with the kids, with business and everything. We went back to Africa. We could not find the right person. Then we thought of let's go to Mumbai, not Delhi, because of the long distance from Uganda to Africa to Delhi. It's a long journey. So we thought let's go to Mumbai. Whenever we heard of good cities in India, Mumbai is the one top choice for everybody. The common language, the friendly people, the distance, connectivity, everything is apt. So we came to Mumbai and we went to one doctor which my friend had recommended. I just surrendered myself to that doctor, neurologist, and I just went out. Like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to expect. She became an angel. She introduced us to another angel in disguise, and that's Dr. Snehal Deshpande. She came literally like a light in our dark life. She came as if like we needed that. She guided us on the right path. The day I met her, my baby used to cry out loud whenever any physiotherapist would touch. The day we came to Vashi Center, Dr. Tejal had taken the history and Dr. Snehal had taken the assessment session. My baby did not even cry for a second. It was like she was calm, she was in the right place, right hands. And then I thought, this is the place. This is the only thing I wanted or we wanted. We don't want anything else. We don't want to experiment. This is it. Being with no family around, no friends around in Mumbai, we took a big leap of faith in Sneh Center. And Dr. Snehal Deshpande was so comforting, her team was so comforting that they could not only give therapy to my baby, they were even a therapist to me. Whenever I had left my kids with my husband in Uganda, when I came here, I used to be very sad. Sometimes I had my days of ups and downs, and when I used to went out, I had my father journey with me. He was a cancer patient, so of course there was all in all so many things going on in my life, and then this anxiety of what will happen to my baby in the future. Of course, this is not a journey of milestones. It's in stones. I cannot expect an overnight miracle. But still, I would say my daughter has actually come far in 8 months. And Dr. Snehal team, all of them, Dr. Tejal, Dr. Dipti, Dr. Avni, Dr. Mihika, Dr. Midali, and so on. The name is so on, and I am so grateful. We are so grateful to whole of the team that they are not only the therapists to my baby, but they are the therapists to our family. They made our family come into one place, under one roof, together again. And I'm forever grateful to Dr. Dipti. So she is the one who said, "We will see, dekha jayega." And I was like, wow, like this is something we needed, because she has actually seen me more than Dr. Snehal. She has seen my plight, she has seen my happiness, she has seen everything, my ups and downs. We are now continuously getting the therapy from Sneh team with our own priority from March. And I'm so grateful that my baby has actually shown so much great response and progress because of the intensive sessions, because of the care and love they have for my daughter, and because of what my daughter could get a holistic approach with being with her siblings and with both the parents. So I am, and we all are, and even my other two kids, my extended family, his extended family, we are forever very, very grateful to whole of the team of Sneh. We are forever very grateful that you considered us and you actually saw that what we needed the most, and not only what our baby needed the most. Thank you.